Welcome to the Conlay. This is a freehold development sitting on a 1.44 acres of land, and this is targeted to complete in the Q2 2025. The Conlay is the international collaboration in between E&O and Mitsui Fudosan Groups. The location of the Conlay is sitting at the branch out of the busiest road, Jalan Tun Razak, next to Jalan Kiapeng. So you can see the Conlay is next to the Prince Court Medical Center and also the MRT. Let us go to the site. Currently, I'm at the site location of the Conlay, and you can see from the left hand side here is 200 meters away. You get walking distance to the MRT Conlay station, and from this station is one station away to our new financial hub TRX. And at my right hand side, this is our international accredited hospital, the Prince Court. The Conlay has total 52 level heights with a total unit of 491 units. From basement 1 to level 10 are the car parks area. The residential level are from level 12 to 34 and 36 to 48. And for the facility level are in level 11 and level 35. Of course, the rooftop are our sky dining area. And you can imagine currently I'm standing in the Prince Court Medical Center, and this is a Jalan Kiapeng. So once you enter, you can enter into this drop-off area and drop off your guests or your family. After that, you can come through this road and go to the car park area. The Conlay is the latest design by the team of Carrier's Architect in collaboration with GGPE Architect. There are some signature design by Carrier's team like Amanemu Shimashi Japan, Aman Tokyo in Japan, Aman Delphi in India, and the Datai Langkawi, the Sukhothai Residence, and Martin 38 in Singapore. Conlay has been carefully crafted to speak the language of modern architecture, which paying the tribute to the location's stellar heritage. The building's slick line believe the fine craftsmanship, artistry, and respect for place, space, and culture that has been seamlessly woven into every details of this striking 52-story structure. And here are some of our facilities. In the Conlay, you also can enjoy the hospitality and amenities of a 5-star hotel. Here are some of our on-demand hospitality services. 24 hours doorman and security and concierge service, housekeeping service and in-room dining. And let's go to the show unit. This is a 124 square meter units, and you can see all the doors, main entrance door are come with a fire rated door. So this is a 2+1 bedroom and 2 bathroom units, and you can see what in my right hand side, this is our master room, and this is our bedroom 1, and this is a +1 study room. And you can see what behind me is a 12 feet wide dining area and also living hall. So even after you put in the 6-seater dining table and dining chair, you still have some space in between. And what we provide to you is a dining set, dining area, sofa, TV console, and aircon. So actually for these units are fully fitted, so you can move in immediately after completion. And you can see the flooring for the kitchen area, dining area, living hall, and the bedroom are come with the high quality timber floor. And now we move to the kitchen area, and you can see all the kitchen cabinets. These islands all are provided, including the electrical appliances, the hood and hob, come with the Bosch brand. And for this, microwave and ovens, we are provided too. And the special part is this hidden door. What's inside here is a fridge. So we are provide to you in the design. And what behind me here is a 6x6 feet of laundry area. So you can put in your washing machine, or you can put in some of your laundry items. And come to here, we enter to the first room. This is a +1 study room. So developer already ready this door for you. So you can cover up this room. And this is the rearless, so meaning the rear of the door is not built at the floor here. So this to avoid it can be dusty or for safety issue. So the rear, we are built at the upstairs. And enter to this room. For this room, you can do it as your like storeroom, your study room, your entertainment, or your home office. And from this room, you can direct connect it to the deep shared bathroom by this door. So for the bathroom here, we are all fully furnished or fully fitted. The WC, the basin, the shower system, the water heater, we are all provided. And the door next to here is can directly connected to the bedroom one. If you come out from living hall, you'll be using this door. And this is a 9 feet wide bedroom one. So you can put in your like queen size bed. After you put in your queen size bed, you still have some space at the left and right side or even at the front here. And that one is our wardrobe. And come to here, we are entering to the living hall. Yeah. So the good for this layout is actually the room are separated into left and right to increase the privacy and also increase some maybe some noise or some noise concern purpose lah. And the master room, we are entering through this door. You can see the wide for the rooms are the same as the bedroom one. It's a 9 feet wide. So even though for this room, you can surprise that after we put in this is a king size bed. For that one is a queen size bed. After we put in, we still have a lot of space because the difference is on the length. And you can see after we put in the king size bed, we can still do the walk-in wardrobe in this area. And surprise me was what behind me is your toilet, master bathroom. So this is a very huge master bathroom. So even though you can put in the bathtub, the his and her basin with the mirror, the shower space, and also this automated WC. And the good things for this unit I like is all the rooms like the master room, bedroom one, and also the living hall. We have we can direct connect to this balcony. So meaning you can easily, you don't need to go through the living hall and go to the balcony. You can easily enter to the balcony through master room, living hall, and also the bedroom one. And this developer is very good in design, so they even design this, put in some design to design this area. This is an aircon ledge area. This is a 69 square meter unit, 1 bedroom, 2 bathroom unit. The door will come with the fire rated doors, and come in your right hand side is your choose changing area. And you can see all the flooring, the living hall, kitchen, dining area, we are come with high quality timber flooring. And from here, this is our shoes cabinet. And enter through here, this is our laundry area. It's hidden behind this door. And if your guests come, they need to use a guest bathroom, is what behind me. And the guest bathroom, we also provide the WC, the shower screen, the shower system, and also all the things like the basins. And come to this area. This is our main area, our dining, kitchen, and also the living hall. This is a 11 feet wide for the common area. And even though you put in this 6-seater dining area, you still have some space. At the left hand side here, this is our kitchen cabinet. So we'll provide all the full fitted kitchen cabinets, the electrical appliances like the hood and hob, microwave oven, and of course, our hidden fridge. And for the living area, we'll provide the sofa, TV, and also the aircon. For our aircon is a ducted system aircon. It's something like this. We'll cover up the aircon. So you do not have the units, the aircon unit that isolated and put in the wall in your living hall or your bedroom. Okay, then now we enter to your master room. This is a 1 + 2, 1 bedroom, 2 bathroom unit. So this is only bedrooms. So this is a 9 feet wide. So even though after we put in the king size bed, you still have some space in between. And that area, this is our changing area or our walk-in wardrobe area. So we have built a cabinet wardrobe at the left and right side. And behind me is a toilet for this master room. So once enter, you have a same his and her basin, the automated WC, and also the shower system. And come towards here, same for every room, like living hall, you have a direct access to the balcony. So you can directly access to the balcony through this master room or through your living hall.